Hey guys, this week I'm going to show you how to make this wooden knife. Stick around. Hey guys, as I said before, this week we're going to be making this wooden knife. You can use it as a butter knife or a cake knife, pastry knife, whatever you feel like using it for. It's not the sharpest thing in the world by any means, but it's sharp enough to cut through bread. Now, if you do like videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe because we make videos like this every week. Also, we have a giveaway going on right now because I recently reached 1,000 subscribers, and that link's going to be down in the description below at the very top. So make sure and click that to enter for your chance to win. Let's get started. Alright guys, so for this project we're going to be using a scrap piece of cherry from our last project. It's just a cut-off piece from when we made our boat paddle stir stick. And it's about 11 inches long, about 2 inches wide, and a 1/2 inch thick. Now, a 1/2 inch is too thick for the project we're making now, so we're going to go ahead and resaw this in half again, and we're going to end up with about a 1/4 inch thick product here. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Alright, now that we have it cut down to the width we need, and we have it sanded down on both sides semi-close to what we want, we're going to go ahead and cover one side with painter's tape, and then we're going to take this knife here that we already have and use it as somewhat of a template. We'll get the handle here, and then we'll adjust the blade because it's not quite long enough. So we'll have to shorten that up just a little bit, but that shouldn't be a big deal. So let's go ahead and get started in that. Alright guys, so now that we have our rough knife shape cut out here, we're going to start working on the handle. And we have a piece of old walnut that I had laying around. We're going to go ahead and rip this down, or resaw it down to 2 1/4 inch pieces. And then we're going to use this template here to trace our shape onto it, and we'll glue those onto here and let them dry. So let's get started on that. Alright, now that we have our 2 handle pieces down to the size we need them here, we're going to go ahead and cover them in painter's tape, and we're going to use this to trace our pattern onto them. Now we're going to use this plug cutter and our drill here, and we're going to cut some plugs out of our cherry wood. Alright, now what we're going to do, I went ahead and put each side of the handle on our knife here, and we're going to use this 3/8 inch drill bit to drill a hole towards the front and towards the back. We're going to use the plugs we just cut earlier whenever we glue these up. We're going to use them as alignment holes, but they're also going to help hold the handle on there better and give it a nice look because it's going to have both the types of wood up here in the handle as well. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Alright guys, now that this has had time to dry, we're going to go ahead and take off all of our clamps, and we're going to start shaping the handle, and then we're going to start shaping the knife blade and sanding it down all smooth. All right, well here's our knife that we have sanded all down smooth. It feels pretty nice in your hand, and it's also got a pretty sharp edge on it right now. So now what we're going to just go ahead and wipe it down with a cloth real quick, and we're going to go ahead and seal it with some wood butter that we made. If you don't know how to make wood butter, I'm going to go ahead and put that link down in the description below. You can go to that video and learn how to make it yourself. Now for the moment of truth, we're going to go ahead and cut a piece of this cupcake. Well, there we go. Cut it fairly well. Definitely not as good as a regular knife, but for cake, it's not too bad. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon. Don't forget to go down in the description below and enter the contest. And we'll see you next week.